Good morning, everyone. Hello, how's it going? GillT channel. Today, we're just talking about getting your mortgage loan. Okay, so what's the best way to go about it? And when you go and purchase a house, are you ready? Do you have the loan ready, and do you know how much you need? Let's get to it, guys. So yeah, when you I forgot, it's Coffee with Rob, isn't it? Let's have a coffee. So yeah, when you're looking for a house, you go out there and there's a specific budget you got, and you've decided on that budget. But have you worked out how much of a loan you need? Now, a lot of clients that I've spoken to will tell me, we know exactly how much we can get, we know exactly how much we can lend, because we've got a combined income of, let's say, 100,000 Rand a month. So we know that we can go and buy a house for 4 million Rand. That's nice. I'm happy for you. But you know what always happens? It always happens, you go out there, you put the offer down on the house. Firstly, you're asking for 100% bond, which you're not going to get because it's 4 million Rand. And on top of which, you haven't looked at loan to value. And besides that, the worst case is you don't actually have 100,000 Rand combined income. What you've actually got, after deductions and everything else and all the other things you've paid and all the calculations, you've probably got 70 or 60,000. So you can actually afford a 3 million Rand house or loan. Okay. So now you've reduced your loan by 1 million Rand. What are you going to do? Right? So what you really have to do before you start your search is get someone to help you, a bond originator, which will work out how much of a loan you can actually achieve, right? So then you know where you stand, how much deposit you need, what fees you're going to pay, and what size of house you can purchase, or how much money you can loan for that purchase. Now the big thing here is, you'll say, yeah, but I can lend the 3 million. Now you know you can lend the 3 million. Now I want to go and buy a 3 million Rand house. No, guys, don't forget there's loan to value. You've got to work out loan to value as well. So make sure you've got a 10% deposit, all right? Make sure that's available before you start searching, and how much you can afford per month. The big thing here is, for example, even I can't tell you what the bank's criteria is this month, okay? So you can't possibly know what the bank's criteria is this month. Now, always remember, to the bank, you are just a number. You're not special, all right? You think you're special, because you've got such a great record with the bank, you've got such a great bank account, as do 5 million other people, right? So don't forget, you're not that special to them. You're just a client, right? And clients get scrutinized the same way as every other client. Unless, of course, your brother's the CEO of the Standard Bank or the Absa Bank or whatever the case, different scenario. Perhaps you can get a loan that way. We can talk about a few politicians and that, right? But we're not going to go there, right? But, okay. So, if I can't tell you what the bank's criteria is this month, because I don't have time to go to these meetings at the banks every month and find out what their criteria is and whatnot, how can you possibly know? So what I do is, I've got a partner in the business that will take care of that for me, okay? They're a bond originator. All they do is they specialize in what the banks need and get you your loan. So what they'll do is they'll contact the client, right? And they'll get you a pre-approval, or they'll get you, well, it's a lucid pre-approval, but at the end of the day, what they will do is they'll find out if what you can afford and what you can purchase, right? So that's what it is, and what kind of loan you will be approved for, and if you will be approved for the loan, because the big thing is also to find out if there's anything outstanding on your credit record, right? Now, there's a lot of people out there that'll tell me, my credit record is squeaky clean, okay, which it should be, but there's always someone out there, some cell phone company or some ridiculous little egg that didn't take or cancel your contract properly, or whatever the case, or a TV license or some crap that's lying on your credit record. And when you go for your loan, it comes up at the bank and it comes up as a credit problem. So they don't give you your loan. So there's a delay, and you have to get this off your system and get rid of it. I mean, I've actually lost a deal in the past because of something like this, right? where the buyer just couldn't get this off his record in time. The seller became antsy and they wouldn't sign addendums to extend the time, and things fell through. So the buyer lost his house because of a cell phone, right, that was never sorted out, right, and he didn't even know about it. So that's the worst kind of scenario you can have. Well, these guys take care of that right at the beginning, before you've even started looking for your house, so you can get that out of the way and you can go and purchase your home, because that's what it's all about at the end of the day. So look, if you need a pre-approval or if you need a mortgage loan and you need it fast, contact me. I'll organize it for you. Like I said, I've got a partner in the business that will sort it out very quickly for you as well. Guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment on what you think. And also, like the Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. So till next time, guys, that's Getting Your Mortgage Loan. Cheers.